Okay. And then I just put the dirt in?
Yeah.
Okay.
But across the field, you are going to be able to plant these.
Okay.
Hi. I'm Azri. What's your name?
Nicole?
Nicole, it's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So what do you do here at the farm, and what is this that you have in your hand?
It is lavender.
Lavender, perfect. It's one of my favorites. I'm going to smell it.
It smells so good.
So how long have you worked here, and what do you do?
I just work events. I've been working here for almost a year.
Events? Okay, cool. That's great. Do you like it?
It's pretty fun.
Awesome. Well, thank you for this.
You're welcome.
And you have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Wait, you're not going to grab... Oh, never mind. I broke the fourth wall.